What's going on, guys? It's Alex, and today's video is all about the Sony WF-1000 XM3s, which don't have an amazing name. They can share it with their siblings, which are the Sony WH-1000 XM3s, which I did a review about a couple months ago, and overall I thought they were amazing headphones. Amazing noise-canceling headphones specifically. And spoiler alert, the WF series is no joke either. Okay, so let's talk about what comes inside of the box first. The first thing you're met with is the Sony charging case, which is this soft touch matte black with a little copper accent, and this is the home of the actual earbuds. You can charge them and you can store them inside of this case. Everything about the case feels nice and compact, nothing feels overdone, everything feels like it's not going to break, and the case is using micro USB-C. So with micro USB-C, you are going to get a great charging experience. You shouldn't have a problem with compatibility. Everyone's pretty much switching to the standard at this point. And on top of that, the case does support quick charging. So if you do charge for 10 minutes, you can get an hour and 30 minutes of battery life. The earbuds themselves are about 6 hours, and with the case, you can charge them up to 18 hours, meaning you can recharge the earbuds 3 times before you have to charge up the case itself. Moving on to design with the earbuds, they are using, as I said before, the copper and black style color scheme, and on top of that, the earbuds are made out of plastic, but everything feels very premium, nothing feels cheap. It feels exactly like a nice premium Sony product. And Sony has brought full touch controls to each earbud. Each earbud does have that little circular touchpad on the side, which is similar to the WH-1000s, which also had that touchpad on the side for multimedia, play, pause, etc. In terms of active noise canceling and how it works with these earbuds, each earbud does have 2 microphones, which are going to sense the noise and end up blocking it out for you. Within the package, you are getting a variety of different ear tips depending on your ear size or ear shape. I found that the medium normal earbuds were great for me, and they're not very heavy. They're about 7 grams each, and the case weighs about 80 grams. So the overall compact experience you get taking a phone and the earbuds with you is awesome. The portability and design of everything is very straightforward. Everything feels smooth. There's no hiccups in putting the actual earbuds in the case. Everything just works. And when fitting them in your ears, they don't protrude a lot. They have a nice tight seal in your ear. Everything feels nice and snug. Nothing feels uncomfortable. And in terms of active noise canceling on these earbuds, it feels great. You don't get that really harsh pressure feeling sometimes you can get with active noise canceling headphones. Everything feels nice and nothing feels uncomfortable, especially with the active noise canceling. And after you've tried it, especially with the previous Sony headphones, the experience with active noise canceling is great. And if you're familiar with previous Sony headphones, they are controlled with the Headphones Connect app, which is Sony's app where you can control all of the little dials and tweaks and EQ the actual headphones and set all your multimedia controls. It's very familiar to the Sony WH-1000 XM3's app. It's pretty much the same, however, the settings do differ. But you are getting the ambient sound control feature on the WF-1000 XM3s, which does allow you to enable and tweak exactly the way you want your noise canceling. If you want it to be specific towards voices or to block out cars, or you want to have it in an ambient noise mode, you can tweak all these settings within the app, and you can even tweak the EQ if you want a bass boost, a treble boost, or you can just set a custom EQ if you want a flat sound or a relaxed sound. Sony makes everything really easy within the app, starting from optimizing the earbuds for the experience that you want. These also have Sony's Sense engine, which allows the earbuds to basically understand if you're standing, running, or driving, and it's going to be able to optimize and tweak the earbuds according to the environment they're in. And the actual touch sensors are very responsive. You can basically remap these actual functions to whatever you want within the app, whether it be summoning the assistant, raising volume, decreasing volume, playback control. You pretty much have the entire plethora of controls with these touch sensors. Sony also gives you the flexibility to control each sensor on each side rather than just having one programmable sensor. And sound quality for the WF-1000 XM3s are actually similar to the WH-1000 XM3s. The sound is very well balanced, everything sounds very smooth, and the overall versatility you have with these earbuds is beyond anything on the market right now. There's no earbuds that really have all the abilities that the Sonys come out of the box with. Their active noise canceling definitely sets them apart from everyone else. So if you're in the market for some new earbuds this year, I think these Sony earbuds definitely deserve some attention. They come loaded with a bunch of customizable features. They offer a really good premium noise canceling audio experience. So that's about everything for this video, but before I wrap things up, I'd like to say Happy New Year to everyone, and thank you so much. We just got to about 160 subscribers and crossed 10,000 views, which is mind-blowing. Started the channel in October, and it's going awesome. Thank you everyone that leaves a comment. It's amazing. That's been the review, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and happy 2020.